The Terms and Conditions setup allows you to create and manage various policy statements related to the products or services your school purchases from different vendors. This feature helps standardize procurement practices and ensures that all purchases follow predefined rules or agreements. You can create multiple terms and conditions tailored to different vendors or types of purchases, making it easier to select and apply the appropriate policy during the purchasing process, ensuring a smooth and compliant workflow. To add a new terms and conditions policy, simply click on the Add T&C icon. A form will appear where you need to enter a title for the policy to help identify it easily, followed by a full description outlining the terms and conditions clearly and in detail. Once you've entered all the required information, click the Save button and confirm the process. The newly created policy will then be securely stored in your school's database. You can continue adding as many entries as needed by repeating the same steps. If you need to make changes, click on the Edit icon in the Actions section, or use the Delete icon to remove an entry. Using the Show Entries option, you can control the number of records displayed in the list. There are some more options from you can copy the entire entries, open them in Excel sheet, export it as a PDF, print it, or customize the column visibility as per your need. You can use the search bar to locate entries within the database instantly.